Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve Microsoft Office with the error message something went wrong with the error tag 7Q6CH that disrupt your workflow during essential tasks such as creating documents or handling emails. It appears during app sign-in attempts. So this error 7Q6CH also often occurs due to network problems and corrupted cache files, file corruptions, and conflicts with recent Office update. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to ensure Microsoft account sign-in assistant is running. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard and then pop-ups this run. So here in box, so you need to type this command keyword services.msc. So just type this command keyword services.msc, that is one word, and then click OK. So here at services and services local, and on right side, and then we need to find and locate this Microsoft account sign-in assistant. So you need to scroll down and then find this Microsoft account sign-in assistant. So all you have to do is to select and then right click. So if it is running in the service, then you need to click restart. But if the service is not running, then go ahead, double click and open properties. So since this services is not running, so all you have to do is to double click and then here at general properties, so startup type, and then you need to click this arrow and select automatic, and then here at service status and then click start, then wait to complete the start process and then click apply and then click OK. Alright, and hope to resolve the problem. But if the error still persists, and the other solutions we will do is to run the network connections troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu and then here at search for apps and then type settings and then click open. And once you open up this system settings, and then next step, so here at right side, so select system and on right side, and then scroll down and then you need to select troubleshoot. And then here at troubleshoots, and then you need to select other troubleshooters. So here at other troubleshooters, and then under at most frequent, and then you need to select network and internet. And on right side, you can see here the run. So we need to click this run settings. Alright, so we will redirect here at help and support. So all you have to do is to follow the step-by-step procedures and method to fix the error. So all you need to select this instruction here on a screen to fix this error. So once it's done here, and then we need to close the settings at here at the start menu, and then we need to restart again this PC. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix something went wrong error tag 7Q6CH in Microsoft Office. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.